Hello, welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can call us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item to us here at Grantham in our used range, that being a Lunar Solaris 524 2018. So here is a good look at that particular caravan, recently arrived to us here at Grantham. A fantastically well-spec'd 4-berth caravan with the side dinette layout which converts into bunk beds and those wonderfully long front couches. So you're benefiting on this caravan from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. You've got an exterior barbecue point, a wet locker box with 240-volt socket, and the wonderful Solaris logo going all the way down the side of the caravan. The Solaris range being a bespoke range to us here at Grantham, so it's a great pleasure to have one of these back into stock. You've got the machine blacked alloys. You've also got a Power Touch Classic manual engage motor mover on it. The bin on the door with window and blind. Also benefiting from having a Malenko security handle already fitted to this caravan. So stepping inside, the first thing you see is this side dinette. So a great little dining area. And as I mentioned earlier, you've got these bunk bed fittings here and the bunk bed backboard with ladder and sideboards to be able to convert up into the bunk. Two-tone gloss effect going throughout on the cabinetry. In the central area of the caravan, you've got a triple arm TV bracket and a television point there for television viewing should you need. Individual switch on spotlights dotted throughout the caravan, and that two-tone going again through the lockers. Panoramic sunroof at the front. You've got a nice spacious chest area there with a PIR sensor for the alarm. And this is our bespoke hand selected fabric scheme that we chose in our 2018 Solaris range. You can see from the previous customer it's been extremely well looked after in this particular caravan. Down the front here, we've got a second television point tucked away behind the curtain there, so you can pop a TV on the front binnacle should that be a need or a consideration for you. A generous sized kitchen work surface with work surface extension and a medium sized under counter fridge with an easy usable height microwave. One of the other great features in this particular caravan, this wonderful full stretched sunroof that you see, again letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, creating a fantastic feeling of space. You've also got the touch dimmable spotlights that you see here, which are dotted throughout the caravan. You're benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric on a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Your main control centre for the caravan is located above the habitation door, and this caravan benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system. A nice little cabinet that you see as you step inside the caravan tucked here. So inside a plastic bag or something, you can pop your muddy boots and tuck those away, or use the benefit of the outside wet locker box. A very generous individual shower cubicle with hanging rail. Tucked away here, you have got a further hanging rail with drawers located underneath. Also another large wardrobe with hanging rail, the infill cushions for the bunk beds, and this caravan coming with heavy duty pile carpet, so a nice thicker carpet, giving you a fantastic feel underfoot and creating a bit of extra warmth. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Solaris 524 2018 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour, and we look forward to doing business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.